Using your salary to build wealth is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. It's not about how much you earn, but how you manage your income and make it work for you. Many people believe that to become wealthy, they need to make huge amounts of money, but the truth is that even a modest salary can grow into significant wealth if you handle it wisely. The first step to using your salary to build wealth is to pay yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings before you spend on anything else. The moment your salary hits your account, set aside a portion of it for savings or investments. A common rule is to save at least 20% of your income, but if you can save more, even better. By automating this process, setting up direct transfers into a savings or investment account, you'll make saving a habit, and you won't even have to think about it. Over time, this simple habit builds a strong foundation for wealth creation. Budgeting is another key to maximizing your salary. A well-planned budget helps you track your spending, cut unnecessary expenses, and ensure you're living within your means. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, spending more as they earn more, which can keep them from building wealth. By sticking to a budget, you can avoid this trap and make sure you're directing more of your money towards saving and investing instead of mindless spending. Once you have a solid budget and savings plan, it's time to put your money to work. This is where investing comes in. Keeping your savings in a regular bank account won't do much for you in the long run because of inflation. To truly grow your wealth, you need to invest. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. This is essentially free money, and it's one of the easiest ways to grow your wealth over time. In addition to retirement accounts, consider other forms of investment. The stock market, for example, has historically offered great returns over the long term. You don't need to be an expert or have a huge amount of money to get started. Index funds and ETFs are simple, low-cost ways to invest in the market. The key is consistency. Regularly invest a portion of your salary, no matter how small, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Over time, those investments will grow, and you'll begin to see the wealth-building potential of your salary. Another important step in using your salary to build wealth is to reduce and manage debt wisely. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can eat away at your income and prevent you from saving or investing. If you have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest rates first. Once your debt is under control, you'll have more of your salary available to invest in wealth-building opportunities. It's also crucial to build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected expenses, whether it's a medical bill, car repair, or sudden job loss. By having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an emergency fund, you can avoid going into debt when these surprises come up. An emergency fund not only provides financial security, but it also allows you to continue investing and building wealth without setbacks. Living below your means is another powerful strategy to turn your salary into wealth. This doesn't mean living a life of extreme frugality, but it does mean being mindful of your spending and avoiding the temptation to buy things just because you can afford them. By keeping your expenses lower than your income, you'll free up more money to save and invest, which accelerates your path to financial independence. Diversifying your income streams is another way to build wealth with your salary. While your main job may provide the bulk of your income, consider starting a side hustle or investing in income-generating assets like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Having multiple sources of income reduces your reliance on a single paycheck and provides extra money that you can use to invest or save. It's also important to invest in yourself. One of the best ways to increase your earning potential is by continuously improving your skills and knowledge. Whether it's taking a course, attending workshops, or reading books on personal finance and investing, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Over time, these investments in your education and personal development will pay off by helping you earn more and manage your money more effectively. Long-term planning is key to building wealth with your salary. Set clear financial goals, whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or building a nest egg, and create a roadmap to achieve them. Break your goals down into manageable steps and stay disciplined about sticking to your plan. Wealth building doesn't happen overnight, but with patience, consistency, and a solid plan, you can achieve your financial dreams. It's also crucial to avoid financial pitfalls that can derail your wealth building efforts. Be cautious with credit, avoid unnecessary loans, and steer clear of get-rich-quick schemes. Wealth building takes time and effort, and there are no shortcuts. The best way to grow your wealth is through disciplined saving, smart investing, and careful money management. Lastly, don't forget the power of networking and surrounding yourself with like-minded people. By learning from others who have successfully built wealth and staying motivated by their stories, you can stay focused on your own financial journey. Networking can also open up new opportunities for career advancement, side hustles, and investment ideas that can help you grow your wealth faster. In summary, using your salary to build wealth is entirely possible, no matter how much you earn. By paying yourself first, living within your means, investing wisely, and continuously improving your financial habits, you can turn your regular paycheck into a powerful tool for building lasting wealth. It's all about making intentional, smart choices with your money and staying committed to your long-term financial goals.